One of our wonderful YouTube subscribers recently asked, hey, could you go over a complex trading system? I'm just curious to see how they differ. Thank you, Benjamin, for the comment, and absolutely we can go through a more complex trading system. Today we're going to go through a complex futures trading system that is also my number one favorite bond strategy. So let's get complicated. Hi everyone, it's Dave Whitcomb. My goal is to make you a happier trader, a more confident trader, a more profitable trader with commodity market insights and real systematic trading strategies. And that's what we're going through today, is a really complicated systematic trading strategy for the long bond futures market. Now, because this is a complicated strategy, we're going to break the strategy into smaller pieces and go through it one by one so you really get a sense for how the entire strategy fits together. So if we jump into the EasyLanguage code behind this long bond strategy, we can see we're already starting on a pretty complicated note. This is at its core a seasonal strategy. It's a seasonal long bond strategy. So there's this code here that is determining the long-term seasonal trend in the long bond market. And then for our first entries, if the seasonal index is above a buy level, it is buying to get long bond futures. And if the seasonal index is below a sell level, the system is selling short bond futures. And if we add this strategy to a chart of long bond futures, we can see a performance report, a cumulative profit line. We're already off to a pretty good start with just the seasonal code. So again, long bonds are a strong seasonal market, and we can see that this strategy, including slippage and commissions, would have generated $96,000 and a 1.26 profit factor since 2001. We are now going to add some exits to our strategy. So we've added a profit target, a stop loss, we've added a trailing stop, an RSI exit, and then another set of trailing exits. And if we confirm the strategy and we look at how it's improved performance, we can see a little bit of a better equity curve. This strategy has now made $117,000 per contract traded since 2001 with a profit factor of 1.22. And let's keep going. We are going to add a set of entry filters ahead of the buying entry, and we're going to add another set of entry filters ahead of the sell short entry. So we're going to have fewer trades, but we're eliminating some bad trading setups. As we can see, this is going to improve performance even further. Now we've got a cumulative profit of $167,000 with a profit factor of 1.48. Now you might say to me, Dave, this looks like a great strategy, but all these equity curves are starting to tail off and draw down as the Fed has become more hawkish and as bond markets have sold off. And to that, I will say we're going to add one more final filter, and that is a bull or bear market regime filter. Basically, are bond markets in a bullish uptrend or a bearish downtrend, and only if they're in a bullish uptrend are we going to consider getting long. So there it is. We've added our bull market regime filter if the close is above the average close of the last 20 sessions. So basically our bonds in an uptrend. And as you can see, that has really improved the equity curve. We now have a nice upward sloping equity curve, net profit of $132,000 per contract traded since 2001, and a profit factor of 1.60. So to review how we built this complicated long bond strategy, we started with seasonal code as our foundation. We added exits, we added a set of filters before the entries, and then as the chef's kiss, we added a bull or bear market regime filter. So that's great. We've built a complex strategy. It has a great equity curve. We've answered Benjamin's question, but I want to point out that your advantage as a systematic trader is not in building overly complex and likely overly optimized strategies. You are going to be a lot better off trading simple strategies that you understand, that perform across a wide basket of commodities versus creating one complex strategy that may or may not work looking forward. Just something to think about. And one more time, here is the final code behind our complex long bond strategy for you to screenshot shot. Boom, boom, boom. As always, we share more real systematic trading strategies on this channel every month. Please like and subscribe for more great stuff from Peak Trading Research. Good luck trading the bond market, and we'll see you soon.